Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a propeller in AutoCAD software. Before going to start, I'm going to request everybody please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the new videos, and also like, comment and share in this video. Now I'm going to start. Okay, you are watching this propeller. So I'm taking the sides. I'm taking this on the sides. Escape now. I'm taking a circle whose radius is the first one is the 20 inch. The second one is taking the 35 inch. Okay, then I'm going to take a line, and these lines have no dimensions. After that, I'm selecting this one, going to the array. Full array is selected. Then click on the center of the circle. Now I'm taking the item number is 8. Then close it. See. After that, I'm taking the circle again and drawing a circle from this point, and the radius of the circle will be 30. Taking another circle, same this center, and taking this one is 40 inch. Now done. I'm taking our line, getting another line is here. Now this. That means click enter. Now I'm going to the trim. The right button is select from click on the mouse. Then trim this one, this one, this one. Here, then there another portion. Now it's not relating. So I think this up to this you have understood. Then escape from the keyboard. Then selecting these lines, this circle, then delete from the keyboard. Now see, here another portion is here. Selecting this one and delete from the keyboard. Then I'm also deleting these lines. Now see, only this portion is have. Now selecting this one and this one. Now going to the array, full array selected, and taking a center. Then item number should be 5. Done. Then close it. Now see, after that I'm taking circle again, sketching a circle from the center, and this will be 65 radius. Now done. After that, you're watching this one is also selected everybody at a time, so I don't want it. That's why I'm exporting, and click on this when, then enter. See, separately are selected now. After that I'm selecting the trim, right button click, then trim it, then trim it, then trim it. Now escape from the keyboard, selecting this one, delete from the keyboard, then selecting all portion, without this again. Then delete from the keyboard. Now going to the fillet and select the radius, taking the 5, selecting these lines and these lines, again selecting this radius, fillet and radius will be the 5. Selecting these lines and these lines, then fillet, again radius 5 is taken, selecting this one and this one. Not done. I can take this one this way, but I think this one is a very nice. Now I'm selecting this one, portions, this portions, this portions, this portions, and also small this portion without this portion. Again, okay, done. After that, I'm going to the full array. Full array selected. Click on the center. Now see, I want to take this one is 5. Then this one, no. I want to take this 4. It's better. Then close it. Here what happened, this one is exactly going to the previous. Now I can see. Then delete radius 5. I'm deleting only this one, and also I can delete it 5, delete and delete. Now see, this one is nice. Now selecting this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Now going to the array, selecting the center of the circle. I'm taking this one is 4 items, then close it. Now see, I think everybody understood how to sketch it. Then I want to create another circle here. Should be 10. Now going to the rectangle, taking a rectangle, again taking a rectangle. Now done. Advanced. Then go to the trim, advanced click, then click, click, and click. Now, now see, I think got it. How to sketch it, and I'm going to determine the dimension. This one is 2.6, and this circle is 20 inch. I mean 1 feet to 8 inch, and this one is 10 inch. 10 inch, 1 feet 8 inch, and 2 feet 6 inch. I got it, everybody, how to sketch this one. If you think that you are benefited, subscribe the channel, like, comment and share.